Okay, let's have a go at fixing these MIDI file tempos. These are all recorded at 95 BPM, but that's not necessarily the tempo of the song. So you're always going to have the problem that the right beats don't line up with the beats of your sequencer grid. What you need to do is you need to basically lift those notes off the original tempo, change the tempo to the right one, and then reattach them. That's what we're going to do now. So we'll import this file since we already know about it. We'll import the tempo and we'll leave it on a single track just so we can deal with it more conveniently. We'll make a new instrument. I'm going to use this DLS synth, but I think Windows has one as well. It's just a general MIDI synth just so we can hear what's going on. All right, I'll delete that. And okay. Now you can hear the tempo is way off even though it's set to 95. So we're going to go back to the beginning and we'll change the track time base to, click it first. Change the track time base to time. And then in here, we're going to change these source properties to use 95 BPM and ignore whatever the project's using. Let's go back to the beginning. And now we can crank this BPM up to something ridiculous, but the music's still at the same speed. But now we got to find out how fast the music actually is. You could use a tap tempo to get fairly close, but we know that these three notes here, this starts on a 4. So we can use this grid to match it up. I'm going to let's go 80. All right, so now we're pretty close. But if we scroll over to the end of the song, so we can see these are like here. Here, they're just drifting back. So our tempo is a little bit slow. We go back to the beginning again. All right. So now we're a little late here. So whatever the tempo I said was 80 point something. I forget, 80.52. And now if we look at these three notes, these all start on a 4 all the way through the song. If we close that, play it again. Yep. Let's go to the end, make sure it hasn't drifted. Yep. And you can export the MIDI as a Type 1 MIDI. I hope this helps. Oh, one thing that you need to remember is when you're adjusting the tempo, always do it with the cursor at time 0. Otherwise, you're going to set these tempo change sort of events up here, and the tempo will end up changing throughout the song, which is not what you want.